You are welcome. In this video we are going to be making a decoration with heart shape or the love shape. Okay, so how do we get this shape? Now we need a square shape, and at times you can use rectangle, but let me show you how you are going to use your square shape. So this is your square shape. You fold this way from opposite angle, so like that you get a triangle. Then you fold again from this side to the other side, so we're going to give you another triangle. You repeat the same thing, that is from side to side again, making 3 foldings now. Then you have another triangle. Now at this point, you note this at this point. So at this point you have 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. Now you can see that this side you can open it, this side you can open it, but the last side you can't open. So this last side you make it straight. Okay, make it your line of symmetry to create half drawing of a love shape. Okay, so let me illustrate using my marker. You can see, so if I'm to draw half of heart, can you see that? So that when you cut through that, so and you open up, you see what you have. You have the heart shape. So because we have folded many times, you see, you're going to have 4 of it on a square, a 6 by 6 inches square. Okay, so to get the individual shape, you can just cut this way. Okay, so that is how we get that. And if you have a rectangle shape, okay, so the rectangle shape is this way. So in order to get your square shape from that, see, you can fold this way. Can you see that? So you cut off this area to get your square shape. So since it is one, you can just fold this way and create your half love shape. Since it has been folded, and cut through. So here we go again. Can you see that? So that is how you cut your love shape. To assemble it, okay, you have my 2 color paper attached to a carton. Okay, then I have these stripes here, okay, which I will just attach to this from behind. Okay, so quickly do that with my glue gun. So Here's the arrangement I made. So let's attach. So I've attached all up to the last one. Okay. So we have our wall hanging. I use it for class decoration, room decoration. Okay, we can just print a text here saying welcome. Alright, so you can just be creative with it. Thank you.